Hey, good morning. Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Just finished up another cool trailer build right here. I'm going to show you guys. This is going over to McMinnville, Oregon, to Sam and his crew. They own a janitorial company, and they wanted to add pressure washing and soft washing to their business. Let's take a look at this trailer. All right, here it is. This is a 6.5 foot by a 10 foot pressure washing trailer. Single axle, built on a Big Tex 35SA trailer. These have been our preferred trailer for a long time now. These are nice trailers, they're built well. They have a shorter tongue up front here, which I really like. That makes them shorter when you're towing them, and they fit in garages a lot better. Just a solid trailer. This one has an 8 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI. Gear drive pressure washer. We can build these a little bit cheaper if you want a smaller machine, but really this is the way to go. This will take care of most of your commercial, most of your residential. It's kind of a good all around trailer. Show you a few things that we've done with this one to make it a little bit more custom than some of the other builds. We have custom made in-house stainless steel hose reel mounts all the way up and down there. And then the hose reels are bolted to the side of the trailer with all stainless steel hardware. We have a nice soft wash mount system here. This is bolted to the trailer as well. And then we have our pump there on the back. This right here, this is the rinse out valve system. So this keeps the pump and the mixer completely rinsed out and clean and clear, helps it last a lot longer. Go on over here, all the plumbing, everything's ran really nice and clean. Got an 11 gallon fuel tank here. This one has a couple little extras. Got the mechanical fuel gauge in here. Got a rollover valve. These are super important. You want to vent your tank because these 8 gallon a minute pressure washers have a fuel pump and they pull fuel. If you don't vent your tank, your machine's not going to run. So we have a nice high-end rollover valve system there. It'll pull in air if the fuel bounces up on the bottom of that, a little ball pushes out and it doesn't leak. Gonna show you some of the plumbing there. These are super heavy duty tank straps here. Those are made in-house. We make them here at Expert Power Wash. 100 gallon slim tanks. This one has water in it from testing. You can see there's no leaks, everything's sealed up really nice. This is a 1-inch drain valve that just sits off to the side there. You can wash your hands with it. You can fill buckets, whatever you need to do to get an additional water source on the trailer. We'll go back over to the hose reels here. These are all 18-inch hose reels, full frame aluminum, stainless steel manifolds, stainless steel swivels. This one right here has a ball valve swivel on it. These are super nice. Helps you switch from the gun to the surface cleaner without having to turn off the machine. Again, all stainless steel there, stainless steel fittings. All of our hoses are custom crimped, custom sized in-house, so everything just flows a lot better. 200 feet of pressure washer hose here, gray non-marking 1-wire. Going on over here, this is a brand new hose that we started using here. This is Curitech. So we'll have a couple different options. This is an upgraded option. 1/2-inch hose works as well as the other stuff that we use, but this one just makes it a little bit more pliable. I like this hose a little bit better. Had this stuff on many of our older vehicles and it's still around. So 5-6 years later, the hose is still going strong. It's great stuff. You can see that the way we run our soft wash hoses, we have everything custom crimped all the way to the gun. Less fittings there. Got the ST510 gun, stainless steel J-rod and nozzles. Give you a side look at all that stuff there. We talked about the mixer, but just to add a little bit more to it, you have 3/4 check valves and mixing valves on the water and the chemical. What that does is it just allows for better flow, a better mix. Everything's going into the manifold block there, and then it goes over into the pump. We have a 3/4 running out of the manifold block into the pump. So it kind of preloads the pump, helps it flow a lot better. We just found that this type of plumbing lasts longer, and like I said, it flows better, gives you a little bit more distance. Going on over here, 3/4 garden hose, 100 feet. You have our famous garden hose reel whip line there. That's on our website, pressurewashingskids.com, if you're interested in that. But that has solved a lot of problems guys have had with hoses kinking up on the hose reel. Brass fitting, 3/4 out. You can see how everything is ran super nice. Goes up into the tank there, into a Hudson float valve. Show you some of the plumbing here. Everything is through tank plumbing. We use uniseals. The hose goes all the way down through, and they're slotted PVC chemical resistant filters down there at the bottom. It's a very simple trailer, yet effective. This right here will take care of just about everything you need to do for starting an exterior cleaning company or expand into an existing business. Stores in a garage, really nice. Just all around a great trailer. If you're interested in something like this and you want us to build something like this, or perhaps you have some ideas, you want to add some things, take away some things, use a smaller machine, bigger machine, whatever it is, give us a holler. We'd love to help you out. I'm going to put all my contact information down below in the description. We offer financing as well. there'll be a link down there for that. But if you're looking for something like this, let us know. We're not currently shipping trailers, we ship our skids. We build a lot of pressure washing skids. There's other videos of those on the channel here if you want to take a look around. Subscribe to our channel, keep an eye on our builds, and if we can help you, let me know. You guys have a great day.